Hey first graders, I just wanted to make this video to show you one of the resources and apps that we're going to be using in our classroom this year. So you will get a iPad station every week or so during our guided reading workstation time. Guided reading time is when you're going to be back at the table working with a small group of students and the teacher, and all of the other kids in the classroom are going to be doing workstations where they rotate through which activity they're going to do every 15 minutes. One of these activities or workstations that you're going to be doing will involve the iPad, which means you get a choice of what educational app or resource do you want to use during your 15 minutes on the iPad. One of the resources that we allow in first grade is called ABCYa, and so the website looks really fun with so many different colors. We are going to click on first grade because that is the grade that we're in. It shows us first grade word games. Look how many word games and alphabet games that we can do. Oh my goodness, bingo, out of sight words. It even shows you which games are approved for first grade, which is awesome. There's math games, addition, base 10s, counting. Let's see what else there is. More bingo games, adding, subtracting. Ooh, dice and the sum of dice. It also has some fun holiday games, so whenever we get close to a holiday, you could choose a game that relates to the holiday that we're getting ready to celebrate. There's also some strategy games. These ones would be fun because you don't really know you're going to expect. Like with this game, Donut Drop. I have no idea what to expect on Donut Drop, but it gives me some directions. I get to pick a character. You could make this a favorite game of yours if you really, really, really loved this game. I'm going to go back to the rest of the games that I can show you. Holiday games, strategy games, skill games with money and weather and making a pizza. Like I said, this is one of your stations that I'm hoping to get in every single week, so you will have at least one 15-minute station where you get to use the iPad. I really love this website, and I'm really glad that our school lets us use this website because I feel like there are so many great resources that you can be using. And also, while we're learning from home right now, this would be a really great resource that you could show your parents so that you can keep practicing all of those skills that you've been learning throughout the year. I cannot wait to show you all of these games and let you experience them in our classroom very, very soon. Bye!